Hello friends. So in the last video we learned about how to write a program to find sum of first n natural numbers. So in this video we will learn how to write a Java program to find sum of any arithmetic series. As we have identified, the last program that we solved, that was also an arithmetic progression series, and that's why we could apply the formula and solve it. So we will learn without using the formula first, because that will build our logic, and in the interviews they generally ask you to solve it without using the formula. So if you have not watched my previous video, I would recommend you to watch the previous video first and then watch this one. So program to find sum of any arithmetic series. So what is an arithmetic series? So the difference between the consecutive numbers in the series is same. So our last program was to find the sum of this series, right? So as you can see, 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3. The difference between these numbers is 1. So this is an arithmetic progression series. Another example could be 9 plus 13 plus 17. As you can see, 13 minus 9 is equal to 17 minus 13, which is 4. The difference between the consecutive numbers is 4 here. If I do 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, here as you can see, this is also an arithmetic series because the difference between consecutive number is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 equal to 6 minus 4, which is again 2. 8 minus 6, which is again 2. And similarly, if you see this one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, this is also an arithmetic series. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So the difference is 2. If I do this one, 10 plus 9 plus 8, this is also an arithmetic series because 9 minus 10 is what? Minus 1. 8 minus 9 is what? Minus 1. Similarly, 7 minus 8 will be minus 1. So here the difference is minus 1 and it is same. So to solve, to find the sum of any arithmetic series, so if I see the last program, this was the our last program to find sum of first n natural numbers. Please watch this video. This might be the third video in our playlist before watching this one to have a clear understanding. So how did we solve it? As we discussed earlier, so our input is 5, our output should be 15. If our input is 2, our output should be 3. The addition is what we are getting as output. So we will initialize a variable sum equal to 0 and we will run our loop till n, like because we have to find the sum of n natural numbers. And so when I is 1, it will do sum 0 plus 1, which is 1. Again, since I is less than n, then the sum value will become 1. So it will do 1 plus 2, which is 3. Again, I will become 3. Sum value is 3. N is 5. I is again less than n. So it will do sum 3 plus 3 equal to 6. I value will become 4. Sum is 6. N is 5. Again, I is less than n. So it will come inside the loop and it will increment. Basically, it will add the value of I in our sum. Sum was 6. So it will be 6 plus 4, 10. Now I will increment, I will become 5. Now my I is less than equal to 5. We have kept the condition less than equal to n. So it will again come inside the loop because they are equal. Now it will add the value of I into our sum. Sum value is 10. So 10 plus 5 will become 15. I equal to 6. Here the condition will break. So let me copy this thing. So we are going to use a similar logic here, but what we can do is we can write it in a one more way so that any arithmetic problem given to us can be solved by that code. So first we will get the input from the user, which will be the first term, or let it be fs. First term, which is the first term, 1, 9, 2, 1, 10 from the user. N value we will get from the user, and the difference, say D, that we will get from the user. So we will get these three values from the user. Now if I write A equal to first term, let it be fs. Let me change the semicolon to comma because I have two initialization here, and I will put the semicolon here. My condition remains same. The loop will run till ith value exceeds n, and I will put one more condition here. A plus equal to D. So, and here I will put sum equal to sum plus A. So now also it's the same thing. If I say my A is 1, A is 1 and my D is 1. So I is 1 and I is less than n. Let's suppose my n is 3. So my sum will be initially 0. So 0 plus A, which will be 1. Now my A will become A plus equal to D, which is 2. A equal to A plus D, 1 plus 1, which will be 2. I will be simply plus plus. So I will become 2. D will remain same. We are not doing any changes in D, and N will also remain same. Now sum will be sum plus A. So my sum was 1. So 1 plus A, which is 2 now, equal to 3. So sum became 3. Now my A will become A equal to A plus D. So initially A was 2. 2 plus D, which will be 3. I will become, it will get increment by 1, which is 3. D will remain same 1, N will remain same 3, and sum value has become 3. But now it will not come inside the loop. No, it will come inside the loop because we have kept the condition I less than equal to N. Right? So now my I, which is 3, is equal to N, which is 3. So since they are equal, so I will come inside the loop, and sum will become, it was 3 plus A. A is 3, which is 6. Now my I will become 4, and it will be greater than N, which is 3. So my condition will break and my sum will be returned, and sum value is 6. So if you see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? 6. So that's the correct output. So if I take this series, 9 plus 13 plus 17. Let me take the second series. So my A value is 9. D value, as you know, it's 4. I value will be 1 initially. And let's take N value equal to, let me take this only, 9 plus 13 plus 17. So let N value will be 3. And sum will be initially 0. So since my I is less than N, it will come inside the loop and sum will become 0 plus A, which is 9. Right? Then my A will, what will happen to A? In A, D will be added. In the next iteration, D will be added. So 9 plus 4 will be 13. I will become 2. D will remain 4 only. N will remain 3 only. And some value has become 9. So since my I is less than N, my 2 is less than 3. So my sum value will become 9, with original value 9 plus A, which is 13, which is 22. Now my A value will be, what will be the A value? A value will become A plus D. So my A is 13. 13 plus D is 17. 13 plus 4 is 17. I will become 3. D will remain 4. N will remain 3. And sum is 22 now. So my I is less than equal to N. My I and N are equal. So it will again come inside the loop and sum will become 22 plus 17, which is sum equal to sum plus A. So 22 plus 17 is 39. Now my I will become 4. So I will become 4. I has exceeded the value of N, so it will come out of the loop and our sum value will be printed, which is 39. So using this program, you can solve any arithmetic series. Let's go to our editor and let's create. So we have understood the theory part. So let's cover the program in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.